In this video, we're stepping into the future with a guide on how to transform your home into a smart home. Whether you're a tech-savvy guru or just starting out, we've got tips to make your living space more connected and efficient. Let's dive in. Making your home smart doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let's start with the basics and work our way up to some advanced features. Smart lighting. First up, let's shed some light on smart lighting. Replace traditional bulbs with smart bulbs that you can control with your smartphone or a voice assistant. Adjust brightness, color, and even set schedules to match your lifestyle. Smart lighting not only adds ambience but also helps you save energy by turning off lights remotely when they're not needed. Smart thermostats. Now, let's talk about keeping your home comfortable with a smart thermostat. These devices learn your preferences over time and can be controlled from your phone. They also help optimize energy usage, saving you money in the long run. Program your thermostat to automatically adjust temperatures when you're away or when you're about to return home. It's the perfect blend of convenience and energy efficiency. Smart security systems. Enhance your home security with smart systems. Install smart cameras, doorbell cameras, and sensors to monitor your home remotely. Receive real-time alerts on your phone and even speak to visitors at your door, whether you're at home or away. Peace of mind is just a tap away with these smart security features. Smart appliances. Upgrade your kitchen and beyond with smart appliances. From refrigerators with touchscreens to smart ovens that you can control remotely, the possibilities are endless. Some appliances can even suggest recipes based on what's in your fridge. Efficiency meets convenience in the heart of your home. Smart home hubs. To tie it all together, invest in a smart home hub. These central devices allow you to control all your smart devices from one place. They often work with popular voice assistants, making it easy to manage your smart home with simple voice commands. Say goodbye to juggling multiple apps. With a smart home hub, everything is at your fingertips. And there you have it, a guide to start making your home smarter. Whether you're starting small with smart bulbs or going all in with a complete smart home ecosystem, the future is now. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your tech-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, and welcome to the world of smart living.